Hello, I saw your question in the email. Use a half angle identity to find the exact value of the following. So here I broke down the half angle identity. Sine of x over 2 would equal plus or minus square root of 1 minus cosine 2 of x all over 2. So I guess we have 165 here. And so what are we going to put in for x here? So x over 2, you set that at 165, and so you just double that. So, we're going to put in 330. So sine 165 degrees, same as sine of 330 degrees over 2. And so we put it in, we're going to replace x with 330. So, it's going to be 1 minus cosine 330 all over 2. And, the sine, this would be in quadrant 2, and in quadrant 2, the sine's positive. So we do have a plus or minus, but we're just wanting a positive value because, I know sine's positive. And so I guess which one would that be here? Let's see. It's going to be this last one. You just need to fill in 330 degrees here. Then they may ask you to simplify this. And they want exact value. Hope this helps.